In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some of the basic tying and how to make the quads and 3 balloon clusters and 5 balloon clusters that I make in a lot of the different videos. So to start, we're just going to inflate one of the small balloons. And to tie the single balloon, I just put my hand up to the neck, or up from the neck as far as possible, so that it keeps this long. And then I just tie it around, push it through, and then keep as much of the neck. The only part I ever pull when tightening is the neck. You don't ever want to pull on this end of the knot because it can make very small pinholes, and then you'll notice within an hour or two your balloons aren't looking as good as you would like. So that way it keeps all the tension on this side, and you don't have to deal with any kind of small little holes. Now to make the duplet, I just take 2 balloons, knots together, spin it around twice, and then tie. To make a quad, I take a second duplet, push it right down in the center, so that it looks like that. All the knots are together, and then just spin them twice, and that is your quad. For a 3 balloon cluster, I take a duplet, a single balloon, get the knot in there real nice and tight next to the others, go around twice, get a neck from one of the duplets, tie those together, and that is your 3 balloon. To do the 5 balloon, I just put it in between 2 of those, get all the knots in there together, flip it around. So this is my duplet that I added. Twist those around each other, and that is your 5 balloon cluster.